Hi, I'm Jack, and I'm going to be giving you lessons on math. And we're going to be starting with algebra. And algebra is huge. There are so many things to learn in algebra. So I'm going to cut my lessons of algebra into parts. And this is going to be part 1. So we're going to start off with a note. Always follow BEDMAS, or your algebra answer will be wrong. If you don't do your algebra questions with BEDMAS, then the answer that you get will be so different than the answer that you get if you do use BEDMAS. So always use BEDMAS. So here's what BEDMAS is right there. Each letter means something different. So brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we'll get one question here. We've got this one. We'll do that one later. So we start off here, and we've got some brackets here. Some more brackets there. So our first one is brackets right there. So we got to do that first. So basically what we're doing is simplifying the question. So we got 2 times, then we do our brackets, which is 5 plus 3. And 5 plus 3 is 8. Then we times it by 3, and then times that by this other set of brackets right there, which is 5 times 6. And that is 30. So now the question is smaller and looks easier. Now we got 2 times 8 right there, because multiplication is the next thing. So 2 times 8 is 16 times 3 times 30. So now the question is smaller. To make it smaller, we got to do 16 times 3, which I think is 48. Yep, 48 times 30. And to make that smaller, your final answer is going to be 1,440. 48 times 30. So it's funny how we took this big question and turned it into this small question. So to give another one, this one just had multiplication and a little bit of addition. This next one is going to have multiplication and subtraction and addition. So we've got our brackets first, and it's 2 take away 2. So we're going to do 8 take away 4 times 5 times 0 plus 3. Now we got to do multiplication. So it's going to be 8 take away 4 times 5, which is 20, times by 0 plus 3. Now more multiplication is going to give us 8 take away 20 times 0, which is 0, plus 3. Make that smaller. 8 take away 0 is 8, plus 3. And then 8 plus 3 is 11. So our answer is 11. And again, it's funny how you take this big question, slowly turns into this small question. That's just how algebra works. I'm going to give you another example question here. I'm just looking for a good one. Okay, I got a good one. 3 take away, and in brackets, 6 times 6. Take away -3. So we're getting into some negative numbers now. and we're gonna times all that by 0. So to start off, we got to do our brackets. This font is different. I'm just gonna change that and bold it. So we got to deal with our brackets first, and we've got 6 times 6, which is 36. So we got to do 3 take away 36, take away -3. And then we're going to times that by 0. So we're going to do 3 take away 36. I'm just checking here. It's going to be 33. It's going to be -33. Take away -3. And we're going to times that by 0. And then we've got 2 negatives, which gives us a positive. So we're just going to check here and do -33. Take away -3. And that's going to equal, we're going to get our brackets here. It's going to equal -30. So we've got -30 times 0. Well, anything times 0 is 0, so the answer is that. So to take this big question and slowly turn it into this small question, it's weird. It's weird. Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to do for now. And then shortly, I'm going to be doing another video, and it's going to be a part 2. And in that, we're going to have exponents and division. And it's going to be a lot more harder and complicated. So make sure to like the video.